Hello geographers. Today we're going to be looking at the structure of the atmosphere, just a quick video. This is the first weather and climate video that I've done, so get ready for a good video. So basically I don't have a whiteboard as a teacher would, so instead I'm going to have to use Farrells Belly to draw the structure of the atmosphere. Right, so here's Farrell. Okay. So we're going to be drawing the structure of the atmosphere and I'll explain along the way. So, first of all I'm going to draw a graph.
Oh, that's tickles!
Oh, bumpy. Bumpy. It's good abs.
Fuck's
laughing,
sake,
mate.
Will.
That's making it hard. That's making it hard. That's making it hard. Can you not swear, please? Okay, here we have altitude on this side. Altitude. Right. And here we have 10 kilometres. And this is in kilometres. No, Seb, turn that down, please. You're ruining my video. Altitude 10 kilometres. 30. 50. 70.
Looks like you're at Aiken.
90. And all the way up to 110. And that's all in the kilometres. Along the bottom here we have temperature.
Wait, you can't really see.
What was it? There we go, that's better. Along the bottom here we have temperature. Along the snail trail.
That's been waxed off.
And that's in Celsius.
That really hurt, you know.
Yeah, okay. And over here we have pressure. And that starts with 1000 MB, 100 MB, 10 MB, 1 MB, 0.1, 0.01, and finally 0.001. Right, so this is altitude on this side. We go all the way up to 110 kilometers on here in 20s. So the first one where it's at 10. Along here we have temperature in Celsius, and 0 is in the middle. We have 60 degrees over here, and minus 100 on the very end of the scale. Over here we have pressure in, what is MB? MB? I don't know. Okay, so now we're going to start drawing the line. Along about 12 kilometers, we have the tropopause. And then along about 50 kilometers, we have the stratopause.
Why the same?
The stratopause, yeah. That's nice, Farrell. And finally, along 90 kilometers, we have the mesopause. Mesopause.
We need to make that louder though.
Just a little bit, not too much. That's about it. That's good. That's good. That's too many. I'm going to press 1 down. Okay. So now we draw the line of temperature against altitude, and we'll do this. Okay, like it starts at about 20 degrees, average room temperature. Goes all the way up to 10 kilometers, 12 kilometers, and then when it gets to the tropopause, this is the troposphere here. Troposphere, and then we get stratosphere here. Mesosphere, and finally the thermosphere. And then we have all the boundaries that we said earlier: mesopause, stratopause, and tropopause. So once we're at the troposphere, the line starts to turn. So temperature decreases with altitude up until about minus 80 degrees, and then it turns when it gets in stratopause and rises with temperature back up to about 0. And then it reaches the mesosphere at about 50 kilometers. So 12 kilometers, 50 kilometers, and now we have the mesosphere. So in the mesosphere, temperature really drops with altitude. It goes all the way down to about minus 90. I'll just go over this line again so you can see it. And once it gets to there at 90 kilometers, about 89, 90, we reach the thermosphere, where temperature begins to increase with altitude, and it carries on all the way, all the way up in space, and then eventually we reach space. So here's the line of temperature against altitude, and all the layers: troposphere, tropopause, stratosphere, stratopause, mesosphere, mesopause, and thermosphere. Here's the line that shows temperature in these. Thanks for watching, and have good geography, guys.